Hello student, I am Lothip sir. Today I'll discuss about ICSE class 9 chemistry. The topic is the language of chemistry. Today I'll discuss about molecular mass or molecular weight. We know that molecules are composed of atoms and atoms are so little and small that their individual mass is difficult to measure. Atoms are so little and small, so light and small that their individual mass is difficult to measure like other substances like you can measure your weight, you can measure weight or mass of a book. Okay, everything of big size particles you can measure by using spring balance, but mass of atom it is difficult to measure because the atoms are very small. One single atom cannot be visible. Then how will you measure the mass of single atom? It is measured by comparing the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Okay, so their mass, that is mass of atom, is compared with the mass of one carbon atom taken as 12. Mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit, that is AMU. AMU or atomic mass unit also a unit of mass like other unit of mass like kg gram. This is also unit of mass, but it is a small unit, smallest unit of measurement of mass. Okay, now let's see the definition of AMU. Atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. A atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. That is, and there is a relation between AMU and gram or kg. 1 AMU is equal to 1.6605 into 10 to the minus 24 gram or 1.6605 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. In kg, it is 10 to the minus 27, and in gram, it is 10 to the minus 24. You have to remember. Now, atomic mass of some common element. Hydrogen. Mass of one hydrogen atom is atomic mass means mass of single atom. Okay. So, atomic mass of some common elements are given in the box. You can see here. Atomic mass of hydrogen, that is mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. Atomic mass of helium He is 4 AMU, that is He 4. Atomic mass of lithium, that is mass of one atom of lithium is 7 AMU. For similarly for carbon, we know that atomic mass of carbon is 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, calcium 40, iron, that is Fe 56, and copper, that is Cu 63.5 AMU. So you have to remember these values. These are common element. Okay. Now molecular mass. We know that molecules are composed of atoms. So now you have to understand what is molecular weight. That is, in simple word, molecular weight or molecular mass is the mass of one molecule of a substance. In simple word. But there is a scientific definition of molecular weight or molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the relative mass of its molecule as compared with the mass of a carbon 12 atom taken as 12 unit. Like atom, we know that mass of atom calculation of measurement of mass of atom is difficult very because they are uh, light and so light and small, they are not visible, so you can't directly measure their mass. Similarly, molecules are so small, so little, so light, huh. So molecular mass also cannot be directly measured. Molecular mass is Like atomic mass, molecular mass also measured by comparing with the mass of one carbon atom taken as carbon 12, taken as 12 unit, 12 AMU. Now, scientific definition of molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance indicates the number of times of one molecule of that substance is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. The molecular mass of a substance indicates the number of times one molecule of that substance is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. We know that molecules are composed of atoms, so molecular mass can be calculated by doing the sum of the constituent atoms present in the molecule, by doing the sum of mass of constituent atoms present in the present in one molecule of the substance. So the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of the constituent atoms present in one molecule of that substance. Now let's see the one example. Example: molecular mass of sulfuric acid. We know that formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Now in H2SO4 you can see there are two hydrogen atom, one sulfur atom, and four oxygen atom. So what will be the molecular weight or molecular mass or relative molecular weight of H2SO4? It will be the sum of mass of two hydrogen atom, one sulfur atom, and four oxygen atoms. So we know that mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. So two hydrogen atom, for two hydrogen atom 2 AMU, and mass of one sulfur atom is 32 AMU, and mass of one oxygen atom is 16 AMU. So mass of four oxygen atom is 16 into 4, that is 64 AMU. So total mass of H2SO4 is 2 plus 32 plus 64, that is 98 AMU. So molecular weight or relative molecular weight or molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 AMU. Now another example, calculate the relative molecular masses or molecular weights of the following compounds. The compounds are copper sulfate crystal, formula is CuSO4.5H2, that is hydrated copper sulfate. Second example, ammonium sulfate, that is NH4 whole twice SO4, ammonium sulfate. Third, cane sugar, C12H22O11. Now calculate their molecular weight or molecular mass. First example is copper sulfate crystal, CuSO4.5H2. In this example, you can see there are one copper atom, one sulfur atom, four oxygen atom, dot 5H2O molecule. Okay, so total mass of CuSO4.5H2O molecule is 60. We know that molecular atomic mass of copper is 63.5. So 63.5 plus for sulfur 32 plus for oxygen there are 4 oxygen, so 4 into 16 plus 5 into for 5H2O, for 5H2O 5 into 2H means 2 plus 1 oxygen, plus 16, so 5 into 2 plus 16. So total molecular mass of copper sulfate 5H2 is 249.5. Now relative molecular mass of ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate NH4 whole twice SO4. In this compound you can see 2 nitrogen, 4 into 2 8 hydrogen, and 1 sulfur 4 oxygen. So total mass is 14 into 2, because now for nitrogen atomic mass is 14, 14 into 2. For hydrogen 8 into 1 into 8, because for hydrogen atomic mass is 1, so 8 atom, so 8 into 1. For sulfur 32, for oxygen 16 into 4, because 4 atoms are there. So total molecular mass of ammonium sulfate is 132. Now the last example, the relative molecular mass of cane sugar, C12H22O11. We know that for carbon the atomic mass is 12, so 12 into 12, here 12 carbon atoms, so 12 into 12 plus 22 hydrogen, so 1 into 22 plus 11 oxygen, so 11 into 16. So total mass is 342 AMU. Thank you.